There is no check engine or similar light on your electrical equipment. Unfortunately, when your equipment fails, it can be catastrophic and too late. When equipment breaks down, the first thought is often to replace it. Supply chain shortages, increased pricing, and shipping delays are becoming commonplace in today's economy. Now, more than ever, it's important to maintain that equipment that keeps your business running. Did you know your equipment can potentially sustain life well beyond its original expectancy if it is properly maintained? The good news is that upgrading, retrofitting, or repairing the asset is usually the quicker, more affordable, and best option. At Premier Power Maintenance, we have the technical expertise, knowledge, and experienced staff matched with a state-of-the-art facility and capabilities to service your equipment both on and off-site. Whether it's relay panel build-outs, transformers, reclosers, regulators, or low, medium, and high voltage breakers and more, Premier has the space, tooling, and capability to meet your equipment's needs. We are a proud accredited member of the PEARL, or the Professional Electrical Apparatus Reconditioning League, which is a national trade organization for companies that provide safe, reconditioned equipment that can be used effectively to recover from a catastrophe, whether from equipment failure, electrical outages, or natural disasters. We follow the PEARL's distinct ANSI electrical standards for servicing various types of electrical equipment, including proper inspection, cleaning and reconditioning, testing, and documentation to return your electrical devices to as good as new condition without compromise. We will assess the equipment you have and help identify possible solutions based on your budget. Through the use of condition assessment techniques, life prediction models, and various other strategies, our team will develop the best course of action to keep your system running smoothly. Save your time and money by maintaining your aging equipment and keeping it in service with the help of Premier Power Maintenance.